Hey everyone, in front of me are Happy Plugs R1 Plus, and today I will show you how to turn them on and off. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to remove them from our case. That is the right one and that is the left one. So, to turn them off, we have to hold our finger on these touch sensors, there it is, for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, they're now turned off. To turn them on, we have to hold this button for 5 seconds too. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, they're now turned on. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos and hope it helps. Goodbye.